Not feel overly confident on everyone's comfort level when it comes to long division. So I'm going to go and I'm going to get some practice. Long division. Now, the thing that is a bit discouraging is how many still are getting multiplication, addition, subtraction wrong. So that is telling me that you're rushing. So if you got a lot of those wrong on your test, you need to really focus. Because this is all something that we have been working on for a really long time. Now, I'm not trying to be judgy and angry because I'm not. But to me, it's like you're rushing. Don't rush when you're doing math. It never works. You need to take your time. You need to take your time through each process. Because if you don't, one wrong number and the whole thing is wrong. There's no wiggle room with math. So take your time, friends, okay? I feel like you rush. And I feel like if somebody around you gets done, then you feel like you have to hurry up and you have to get done. No, who cares who gets done first? What's more important, a good grade or that you finish second? Ella? Yes. So you need to take your time. I don't care if somebody gets done 5, 10, 15 minutes before you. Who cares? This isn't a race. Slow and steady gets the good grade, okay? I just want to say this because we're almost done with this year, but with math, just slow it down. Take a deep breath. Who cares what's going on around you? If everyone is done, who cares? Do your best. Take your time. All right. There we go. That is my math lecture 101. Let's do a few long division. Now we are working on the 4 divisor. Okay, come on, get off. All right, so if you want to tackle, have your markers at the ready. Now these are not in your book. These are practice. So I want you to get your whiteboards out and I want you to work on these along with your friends up here. So these are not in your book. These are purely practice. Boy and Tessa. Let me choose something. Hold on. Now you should all be working on one of these on your whiteboard. Clearly you can't do both of them, but pick one and do it.
I want one on your side.
That's fine. Boy, something has gone amok. Your 6 is correct, but 1 is not. So what we need to do is, oh, where's the eraser? Oh, thank you. So 6 times 9 is what?
6 times 9 is
So 6 times 9 is 54. You got that? Okay, I see what you did. All right, so, all right, yep, you're right. So now you did the extra. There you go. Now, there you go. Take your time. So is that 6? 6 times 9 is not. What times 9 is 27? You're right with the 27, but it's not 6. So this, somehow you got 27, which is correct, but what times 9 is 27?
3.
Yes, good.
Do I need to check?
That is still not correct though. Yours is correct. Good job. So, you forgot about there you go. There you go. There you go. And what do you do with the 3? There you go. Excellent. Very good. So, again, extremely important to have our multiplication facts. Any questions? Yes?
Is it a remainder or a fraction?
It is just a remainder. We're not doing fractions. But if I were doing a fraction, what would the fraction be for this? It would be 634 3/9. And if we were doing a fraction for this one, instead of a remainder 3, the fraction would be what? Cole?
3/6.
Very good. Good job. Unless the directions tell you to do a fraction, you do a remainder, all right? If there is a remainder. You have to look at the directions. Nicely done. Again, very important to take your time. Go through each process very carefully. Take the arrows down. Both Tessa and Boyd did a very nice job with the arrows. Just make sure you have your facts, your multiplication facts, correct. Ella and Jonathan, just going down aisles. Make sure you write big enough so they can see in the back. Jonathan was his baby letter numbers. There you go. Again, Ella, make sure you're writing your letters on top too. You're going to want to check that. 6. Very good. Now, Jonathan, if I asked for a fraction instead of a remainder, what would the fraction be?
6/8.
Very good. There you go, Ella. Good job. What times 4 is closest to 23? There's nothing times 4 that is 40 or 22. Nope. Put the 5 up there. There you go. Good. So that is not correct. 34. What times 4 is closest to 34 though? And what is that? What times 4 is 32? You need to write that on top. Yes, that is correct. Very good. Can you all read Jonathan's, or do I need to make it bigger? What's that? You can read it? Any questions? All right. Yes, Caroline. Yes. All right. Now, would it be a great idea if there are times over the summer you continue to work on your long division? Yes. One thing about long division, if you don't do it, you're going to lose it. You're going to lose how you do all of the different steps. Yes.
Miss Reed,
Yeah.
we do like an hour, like half an hour of reading and half an hour of math.
Night over the summer? That's awesome. I know summer vacation is super awesome, but it would behoove all of you to keep up with all of these math facts and all the different steps that go along with these problems, because they are you have to know each step and it'd be easy to forget. All right, let us let's turn to lesson 142 on page 283. More division.
142. Lesson 142.
Actually, I missed, it's actually 141. Sorry, guys. I skipped 141. 141, and you know what? I think it would be good if you do this on the projector. Oh, it's going to take a while. Let's not do that. All right, you're going to write the numbers. We are on we're not going to do, because it's going to require, you're going to do that tomorrow. I was going to put it on the projector, and we don't have time for that. So let's work on 140, or on page 282. I'm going to say a number, and you're going to write it in your book. Everybody ready?
Yep.
360,295. We are on page 282. You should have number 4 with 3 blanks. 282. 4A, 360,295. 360,295. Emmy, have you found it? It's on page 282. You should have number 4 with 3 blank lines. 360,295. B, 1,529,378. 1,529,378. That's a big number. Does anyone need me to repeat that?
No.
1,529,378. Grant, sit still, please. C, 42,003. All right, now these are going to be good because I feel these are often the things that mess us up on the test. Follow the signs. Luke and Christian, just working down the road, okay? Very nice. How would you say that, Christian? Very good. And you don't need the 0 on there. And what is your number, Luke?
826.
All right. Should you be writing this in your book?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Emmy. Oh, well, let's wait just a minute, please. Like the enthusiasm. Now, please give a yell if these do not match your book.
Okay.
I don't trust the books at all.
So far
the first one is good.
That's why the math, please.
That's why we need the math, please. There needs to be some major arrests occurring.
Yeah.
All right. Emmy and Sam.
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, you didn't have your hand up? Sorry. Emmy and M.
Just read.
What? Yeah. Actually, you know what? No, wait till after math. You can finish your math. You're going to miss a bunch if you go now. That's why you need to go before class starts. And how do you say your number, my dear?
26,770.
Beautiful. Ooh, you're close. Check out the 1. Otherwise, everything is correct. You see how it's 33? There you go. All right. Any questions? You're all working on these?
Yeah.
Oh boy, let's do these together. These are easy. What is 10 times 10?
100.
What is 11 times 11?
121.
12 times 12.
144.
Okay, so let's slow down. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11.
121.
12 times 12.
144.
11 times 12.
132.
132 is correct. 10 times 11.
110.
12 times 9.
108.
Oh, nice. What is 7 times 8?
56.
8 times 9.
72.
9 times 6.
54.
I don't hear many voices. These should all be rattled off. 8 times 8.
64.
Very good. All right, what time is it? Let's do the round to the dollar because it's kind of fun. All right, so remember, what do you do if you have 50 cents or above? 50 cents or above, James? Yes. So $26.81. What do we do with that, Jeremiah?
$27.
Absolutely, because it's 81 cents. So $179.25. What do we do with that, McKenna? Yes, $179. Very good. $3.76. Grant, $4. How many feet are in a yard?
3.
How many ounces are in a pound?
16.
Good. How many quarts in one peck?
8.
Good. How many centimeters in one? Is that that'd be meter?
100.
100. Very good. How many gallons in a kilogram? 1,000.
Wouldn't that be grams?
Kilogram. kg. How many quarts in 1 gallon? 4. Good. How many months in a year? 12. Good. How many pecks in a bushel? 4. How many cups in a pint? 2. You guys are so smart. All right. What is C in Roman numeral?
100.
100. Oh, jeez, I forgot to erase this.
How dare you?
All right, I'm going to write the Roman numerals down, and you're going to answer them in what? Arabic. We're going to do Arabic at High Point Christian School.
Everybody in English.
What is this one? What is this in Arabic?
17.
Very good. 10, 15, 16, 17. What is L in Roman numeral?
50.
50. What is the answer to this?
52.
50. 1, 2. Very good. What is D? 4 or 9D. L, X, X, V. L is what?
50.
So we have 50, then we have 2 what? So 50, 60, 70. So what is the answer?
75.
Very good. All right, the next one, be careful. So we have X's mark what? What is an X? 10, 20, 30, but then we have a 1 in front of a 5 or a V. So what are we going to do there? Cole. So what is the answer?
34.
Beautiful. What is M? Helen. 1,000. So X is 10. What is G? The answer? 11. So what is H? Excellent. You guys are awesome. All right, let's put it away.